Hi there, welcome back to TELW, the English workshop. If you don't know me, my name is Manu and I make videos on English language to help you improve your English skills and communication skills as well. So in this video, we're going to look at do, does. This is a very confusing topic as well. Lots of people have asked me about it to help them with this. It's also very interesting and important. Why is do and does important? We use it the whole day, every day. Do is the basic auxiliary verb for talking about actions. So when you talk about actions, it becomes a do verb. Like be-verb is for state. Like I am a teacher is a state verb, but I teach is an action verb. So you have a do verb here. For more details on the be-verb and do verb, please watch our video on that. The link is given down below. Coming back to this video, we are making a series of videos on this, on different uses of do and does. We'll begin by telling you the basic use of do and does. That is, as auxiliaries. What's an auxiliary verb? Auxiliary means helping. You have things like auxiliary staff and auxiliary engine, helping staff. So helping verb. I'll give you 4 uses as an auxiliary. One is when you ask questions. So, does he teach English? Does. Do they come here very often? Does that company export to China? Does he plan to run for the prime ministership? Does. Questions. Second one is talking about negatives. So you say, I don't play the guitar. As against the positive, I play the guitar. I don't say I do play the guitar. So do is essentially hidden. They don't come here as often as they could. The sun doesn't shine at night. The stars look bright tonight because there are no clouds. The third is as a question tag. What do you mean by question tag? You use these tags to encourage conversation for one thing. So when somebody is speaking, you say, you're a doctor, aren't you? So as a do verb, you can say, you paint, don't you? They play the guitar, don't they? She teaches French, doesn't she? These are question tags that you use to encourage people to speak. Among others, this is one of the more common uses of the question tag. The last one is short answers. If somebody tells you, you promised to come yesterday. No, I didn't. Oh, yes, I did. Or you can say, so I did. He said he would come today. So he did. Do you play soccer? Yes, I do. A short answer. So we just learned how to use do and does as an auxiliary verb, the very basic use. Our next video is going to be on how to use do and does to emphasize, to lay stress. See you in that then. Bye-bye.